What's up, YouTube? I'm just gonna give you guys a little drive in the Magnum. I got the 360 cam, as you can see. My hands are free. I got the GoPro on my head. So let's go ahead, let's get this thing started. Just to give you guys some weather conditions, it's a let's see the weather right now. About 100 degrees right now. It's gonna get up to 110 plus later today. As you can see right there, I just changed the you can see the, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera or not, but it's 99 degrees. Going to put the SRT pages back on. You saw I held the compass and the music button. Car's running at 206 degrees right now. It was already warmed. I hear a little squeaking sound. It's actually the first time I've heard it. I don't know if there's something in my trunk or something, but don't usually hear that squeaking sound. Might be my car seat in the back, honestly. Actually, it's 110 out now, so, but I'm gonna do a little just 0 to 60 pull, just a little baby one. I'm not gonna give it too much gas here. You guys can see how it goes. There it is. Like I said, it is 110 degrees out here, so it's pretty hot. These 6.1 Hemis like to get hot in the summer, and they're pretty, you know, they lose some power in this heat. I didn't get that on the 360 cam, so we'll just kind of do a little downshifting, see what she sounds like. So there's 4th gear, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. I'll put the windows on, you guys kind of hear that. It is hot as shit out here. God, sheesh. All right. Let's do another little pull here. There's 1st gear. Pulls really good, guys. Pulls really good. Put these freaking windows up. It is, like I said, it's freaking scorching out here, y'all. Woo! Hot as hell up out here, God. But let me see if I could change the point of view. Yeah, I'm gonna stick the GoPro by the exhaust. Hopefully it stays on there. But I'll stick it by the exhaust just so you guys can kind of hear what the exhaust sounds like right now from the back end. So we'll go ahead and pull over, stick the GoPro right in the back by the exhaust, and we'll see what she sounds like. All right, so I have it on the back now. I'll turn it off, start it up, and then you guys kind of hear the exhaust, all right? Pulls out here, freaking 115 degree weather, and she did get up to 215. I think she's cooling down right away right now, as you can see. Do not advise doing hard pulls in this type of heat, guys. Not smart, all right? But like I said, the car didn't, like I haven't really been driving it much today. I just got it to warming temps, and just be careful, especially if you're driving anything supercharged. Careful out in the heat. So like I said, right now the car did warm up. It's about 215. She's back down to 206. It is 110 degrees out here and climbing. But this is kind of, put my belt on here for safety first, like always. But it's kind of what the engine bay sounds like. Like I said, I don't know if the exhaust is stock or not, but she sounds really good in here. And I will be taking off at least the mid mufflers at the minimum, because I want it to be louder, but not droney. So let's do one more little downshift here. Let's go to first gear. You guys kind of hear how it is down here. You hear that? Woo! Oh my God! Woo! All right, one more. All right, one more. Turn down this radio here. Let's go second gear. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh man, y'all, this Magnum is so sick, dude. Oh. Alright, let's do one more, just one more dead stop pull. I mostly daily drive the Magnum, don't really beat on her or anything, but I just wanted you guys to see what she can do. Let's turn on this this 360 cam. Let's take off the let me take off the traction control completely. All right, there it is. ESP system deactivated. All right, let me just pull up right here. So now I'm recording on the 360 cam as well. Let's put the windows down, turn off the AC. Let's open this sunroof too. Let's see what this baby sounds like. All right. All right. Go down to first. Let's give her some gas. Oh yeah! Oh my God! Oh! That was crazy. The only thing that sucks about going down to first shift is that it automatically goes to second and third. That's why the burnout, or not the burnout, the car just got into the next gears. Let's just say we lost a lot of traction there. Oh man, all right, it's too hot out here. I don't want to, you know what I mean? I don't want to really push her any more than that. But there you guys have it. You guys see how good she sounds. She drives really good. Like I said, it's hot as shit out here, and the temps are great. It's not overheating or anything. But let's pull over and let's just do one final walk around, okay? There you have it, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this drive with me of this 2007 SRT8 Magnum. Currently at 99,800 something miles, so about 100 so miles away from hitting 100,000 miles on this SRT8. It still drives like a beast. But anyways, YouTube, I'm SRT Dad, and I'm out. It's 120 degrees in AZ. Holy crap.